The world-famous Masai Mara Game Reserve has reopened after a 3-month closure due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Between June and July every year, hundreds of local and international tourists flock to the Mara to witness the majestic annual migration of 2 million animals, majority of them the wildebeest. But this year, the coronavirus outbreak has brought those adventures in Kenya's Masai Mara and Tanzania's Serengeti to a screeching halt.
Thousands of wild beasts crossing from Tanzania's Serengeti into the Masai Mara Nature Reserve in Kenya. July is the busiest time of the year for the famed reserve, as local and international tourists flock into the region hoping to witness hundreds of thousands of wild beasts run the gauntlet of hungry crocodiles as they cross the Mara River in search of greener pastures on the Kenya-Tanzania border. This year, the human traffic out to witness the spectacular annual migration is drastically low as international tourism is still shut down due to COVID-19 pandemic.
See, all around us is very few people. Generally, it is the locals who are witnessing this happening.
Many lodges in the Mara had shut down as tourists stayed away, hitting the country's multi-billion-dollar tourist industry and leading to job cuts and loss of income for hundreds of thousands. But now, 7 camps and hotels are operational and more are expected to follow suit. All visitors will be tested, including international tourists, as soon as the resumption of international flights takes place from August 1st. The 7 open facilities have already met all COVID-19 containment measures, including staff testing and fumigation of premises.
From next week, hopefully, the international tourists will come, and then we will breathe again, because I think the Masai community was suffering a bit from the lack of tourism and the lack of jobs.
The Narok County government draws 80% of its income from the internationally renowned game reserve. More than 300 employees working in the park have tested negative for COVID-19. They're psyched up to give visitors an unforgettable experience. Officials from the Public Health Department will continue conducting regular inspections to ensure that high hygiene standards are maintained. Rose Wangoi, NTV.